Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, thanks for clicking on this video and don't forget to check out more videos on my channel called Glam Hairers. This hairstyle video is completely about Dutch hairstyles. Please share some love and watch this video until the end. Without any further ado, let's get started with the video. First hairstyle. I'm taking a poof and tying it with a rubber band and divide that tiny ponytail into half. I'm gonna divide my hair into two separate sections. Divide the first half ponytail into three different sections and then take your left section under the middle and then right section under the middle. Add hair to the middle section from under. Take your left section under the middle and add small portion of hair to the middle section. Repeat these steps with all the remaining hair. As you can see, I'm adding a very small portion of hair to the left side of my braid. Basically, we are doing a Dutch braid but on one half of our hair. We are going to stop braiding and start pulling our braid to make it look voluminous and to give it a good texture. We have to do this thing while we are braiding itself. It's going to make it look more clean and neat. And also, if you pull the braid after you're completely done with the hairstyle, then it's not going to give you the clean and neat look. Moreover, it's difficult to pull the braid after you're done with your hairstyle. It's that simple. Stop braiding and take your time to pull the braid. Continue doing a normal braid by leaving a small portion of hair at the end. Now, this is how to pull the braid. Hold and pinch the corner of braid and pull it. Then tie it with a rubber band. This is how it looks on one side. We are going to repeat the same steps on the other side as well. Two braids should be equal and tied at same place. Now we are going to pin both the braids together with pins like this, or you can use U-shape pins too. Hold the two inner corners of braid and pin them inwards so that pin is not visible. Pin both the braids together for every 3 or 4 inches. Now we are going to tie both the braids with one hair tie and pin both the braids together with a pin. That's it for the first hairstyle. Now you know this hairstyle is not as complicated as it looks. Second hairstyle. For the second hairstyle, take a poof, divide it into two sections. Take a small section from your right and take it under the right section and over the left section. Now take loose hair from sides and join it to the left section. Now take a small section under the left and over the right sections and join the loose hair to the right section. We are not gonna add any hair to the small section. We only add hair to the small section when we need it. You will understand it soon in the video. So keep watching. We are gonna repeat the same steps all along the hair. Now small section is not enough to do the steps, so I'm adding hair from the left to the small section and then repeat the steps as usual. Not only from the left, you can add hair from both the sections. Continue to do the steps and add hair to the small section only when you need it. This hairstyle is very easy as you get the good grip of it and looks very sleek and stylish. This hairstyle goes with traditional as well as your western outfits. You can continue to do the steps here but without adding any hair to the left and right sections. Tie it with a rubber band by leaving a small part of hair at the end. That's it guys. We are done with the second hairstyle. Looks very classy, right? Third hairstyle. Take a poof like two other hairstyles and tie it with a rubber band. Keep the tiny ponytail away and take hair from both the sides and tie it with a hair tie. Now take the first tiny ponytail, divide it into two sections. Take it under the second ponytail and add hair from both the sides to it and then tie it with a hair tie. Now we are gonna pinch and pull the braid. Now consider next two ponytails as first and second. Divide the first tiny ponytail into two and tie it under second tiny ponytail by adding hair from both the sides to it. Repeat the same steps all along the hair. You can clip the ponytail away with a claw clip. You can continue to braid. Here there is no need to add hair from any sides. Just take your first tiny ponytail under the second and tie it with a rubber band. That's it for the hairstyle. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. That's it for the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and also share it with your friends if you felt helpful. And third hairstyle was my favorite one. And tell me your favorite hairstyle in the comment section below. Bye bye. Take care of yourself. See you in my next video.